for a higher juicy news. Mema Ubibia Akwaba, a higher latest and hot news. And Enamede Bremo. And until so subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say Obe subscribe. Dobaya say Obe click a the subscribe button. Na wabeli notification we had a video for be upload when the first person wants a beka a video afi we are na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana me mo hanom afi ye share ye ensemo abeto ye pono so we dey a yare hosem na yin nim say ye MPP4 when e lusu abawe chese ensem dodo na APP every a year party no na yenyina nim say ye Kennedy Agyapong ono na sese akwenya abama no ono ne betimi lead party no 2028 election na MPP penifoni bi wane bopo etia Kennedy Agyapong na we are for KiII TV branch baako abedan sembiedi wo kire meeting bi akoso UK ema wo kire se Akufo Addo ND anim na wana meeting no wane die PP mu kire se Wontumi eka ho NAPO Sammy wuku na Bawumia Campaign wo kire se wana bopo a kire se wana pese wane kun Kennedy Agyapong kire se wana pese wana yiri free horom na wo kire se Akufo Addo no o se enya de obeti ase se be ma Kennedy Agyapong LED party no na ensemble na branch no edi atudwa na ententemara yebekọ abranch na kachi wo we are for KiII TV na wadan ensemble di atutu bi di amane Akufo Addo nya sam ketu akra na yinkuti ne nsema ti nsema abranch edi tudwa efa Kennedy Agyapong epa wane bofa no ho se wane beje ne kwa afiri nsem yinkuti nsema abranch edi tudwa yinti ne nsem
Kennedy Agyapong boni awe NPP ene de awe omaya ni papa bia no ye bo ho pobonne se yenku ni papa bia bo ho pose yenyu mfre ho ni papa bia ye mu committee so ri diawo ni papa pa obetuma ba di oman no so people obetuma ba bua party na ba power wo se won ti ase aboa sankrofo we chama Wontumi Bawumia Campaign Sammy wuku NAPO yewra Bawumia munyina makosia o UK akobo sa nkwase apowe abebo se mu bobo powe de yewra Kennedy Agyapong so na moba ma ba sunu fide ma ba yi no yemu bi yanti ase o maka kire mo se wo de yemu bia brefo ja mo de ya na mo de asem o yewra Kennedy Agyapong won tan obi o party ni mo na emom ade ana mo ya edi party ni be ko opposition edi anum gu ase ya hu be ba no na papa ne be kan ho asem and your kan no so na mo fa na ho tan no ye to ba wie no yes o general secretary ma party no no mo to no to aka empanimvo na mo jo mo di obi bo an o mo nyina aka nsema yewra Kennedy Agyapong kan duru tamane baba to bara monti no ye to ba wi anim guase ne ba no omunyina na mabonti obi e me wa hanuma me ni hanum fo anije na sa hogoro kwanso sanse niema bi no ma ekoso NPP party mu ana na Akufo Addo ene dikan a meeting upon meetings against yewra Kennedy Agyapong no me beba mo hu duties ene de omunyina cause se trans ye enhwe han se niema bi no koso NPP party ni mu a NPP party a better opposition ache papa menemo kasa ise ya menemo kasa yi current meeting akoso UK ana na Akufo Addo ene dikan ya oboabo asa meeting na no frɛ Ghana ma NPP mpanimfo so mo koche mo UK no mo saa pono na Akufo Addo ene da saa meeting na no na asemo ye America no enya agudi asem enya sede aksema enya sebi ametia na mebo misire na mabo mitirim na mebe ka asema to nkrofo papa no nkrofo abusuafo so minima asema American na asema American no die ose on tiase no na ose tro na media obe challenge me no I'm ready for that person o frame aso dem I'll come o frame or court I'll come o frame or busumfie I'll come whatever you call me I'll be there because asema ye kan ye nim de ye kan ye wo ye gina so ye metra mebo esire mu nka sa asem no fa nche o de biara da because ye nim de o mo ye se nyom boni ne mo wudi a o ma plan o mo nsem mo peso mo di boni a nka ye nte sa asem ma meka sa fa nche mo no mo mra bonti ma challenge sa asema ye kan tro na ye didi agu o mo so abusuafo ye boni bi ye gina ye nim se NPP contest ye ba so yi yewra Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia Kojo Kyeremanteng ene nipo maka ye to ba wie obi enim kwan mo fa so a NPP na nado ne na busuafo ne NPP mpanifo bi mu fa so a omo chinchin yewra Kennedy Agyapong ne chitafo ne yewra nsa ya to ba na wie yewra Bawumia we ne edna kokon enim guase aba NPP Ghana for the almost almost antimanka, did the almost also top abano, or mango to abano. Ya two abana 7 brothers will be a good on MP before any was any further edit baby. Yan can be in meeting upon meetings every blessed day concerning your Kennedy Agyapong. Mena wokasa this year NPP mpani for chama Wontumi me bubo dino me nsuro obibia me say me bubo edino me nsuro obibia wa ope obetuma ba be now you can challenge me and also you can take me to whatever that you want to take me to. I'm ever ready. We are not afraid of those people. We are not afraid of these people. Nipa odi kind of free meeting now or mobilizing meeting now or the NPP mpani for free Ghana mama chucha take it to call UK. Nana Akufo Addo una odi kind. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia uka hobi. Chama Wontumi meeting uka hobi. Brian Champon meeting uka hobi. Sammy Uku meeting uka hobi. And other one guy mira fini dino. Napo uka meeting uka hobi UK uka hobi. Abuja for Paul Makobo nyina ne se. Nana Akufo Addo se. Me se many abrefo jame na me ka me se. Nana Akufo Addo se. Ompene chira so mba tiasie ama yewra Kennedy Agyapong ababeli di NPP party ensi da me se meeting no Nana Akufo Addo se so no tiasi ompene enne ochina adechie chi se yewra Kennedy Agyapong meli di NPP party enne ochina ene ne nkwa na aka owia so no tiasi. That is the meeting omokoye na wodi ndi omaye Omashema kase because of sani ebe ya omedumanye wura Kennedy Agyapong na fidi omu sum no ne pa omu bono ni ntino omu besa da ma Brian Champon Sammy Uku NPP panifo no chama Wontumi ne nkrofo bi no mashada ba wura Kennedy Agyapong nanse no mo ba bo ya wura de si ye no fa yemfom so fa kyeye ya hu se patru na bedumali di aboa ama yakokon anu edi nkunim nti de ya bia no fa kyeye yewra Kennedy Agyapong so munim sesebe na kuma muti obeji atumi no masresra ye free no mato nsa didi and e free ho no mo kono e pa o mabone se ene de se wona wusi e pan na yewra Bawumia ye pese ye de ne bana wo wona obetima be ha ye de na wo ho de a ene ye yi free ho no ma se na asane ye gya kwan de ye pa ba. That is the motive behind amukoko sa meeting no ene nto mbe yusu NPP nkrofo bi no ma na yewra Kennedy Agyapong so gi omu di pa wa bo omu NPP party ni mu eduru tema na omukọ primaries na omukọ contest no omu yi yewra Kennedy Agyapong ma ye no omu nyina be pa yewra Kennedy omba be pa na chewa sere no abo bunko to asu ebi baba TV su radio so abe kasa be tse de omo do yewra Kennedy Agyapong omu be yusu sa nkrofo ni nyina even on but must that the information kura free yewra Bawumia Campaign be catch yewra Kennedy Agyapong na the 3 months in day and right from there they will take yewra Kennedy Agyapong life. Asama meka me say abrefo jame na meka me na meka tell me nsuro asama meka wa ope for me ko bia ope bia take me to court whatever I will come me nsuro asama meka I have facts me matra mom sirem emkan asama nyo no kronfam to obi so what you say enti meka kire mu Nana Akufo Addo papa pan mu oba be wo otifia duru Nana Akufo Addo papa pan mu be otifia duru be wo bra duru wo da so ma wicked wudi samba otrim say uche na bukat neza wicked hwere oba Ghana economy o ma Ghana titia pansama e basa ubedi akonwa you have caused more harm than good boni e wadi ni wudi ne Ghana sika twutwu de ni ma boni a wo de kwan boni a de Ghana fa so no e dozo chen de ni ma papa we de ma o man Ghana a wo je hon ma wo ni papa pa obeduma ba be di o man no so nipa obeton be bo party na ba power wo se won tiase wo tiase de won tiase aboa sankrofo we chama Wontumi Brian Champon Sammy Uku NAPO yewra Bawumia wo ka ho bi munyina makosia o UK akobo sankwase po we abebo se mo bobo power de yewra Kennedy Agyapong so na mo ba ma ba sunu fide ba yi no ye mu bi ya ntiase o maka kire mo se wo de ye mu bi abrefo ja mo de ya na mo de asemo munim de betima ye metran dwoye no kan kire wo se tintin de meka gidi upa gidi nyansani ni ba dwuma bia beti de meka na so and I know that asema meka they know say me ni trongo so they know say me no asema meka ye no kro na meka kire mo na mi bisa Ghana for sanje bia yewra Kennedy Agyapong bone be na wa ye o man no Kennedy Agyapong bone wa ye Ghana ene de wa hem Kennedy Agyapong bone wa ye NPP ene de wa hem Omaya oti omanga na ni papa bia no ye bo ho pobonne se yenku ni papa bia bo ho pose yenyu mfra ho ni papa bia ye mu committee so ni diawo mumie bi so papa na ne bonne wo de obi nkyere me de papa na ya NPP obi nkyere de papa na ye tia Ghana sabi sa ankwase apo ya papa panimu na Akufo Addo be woti fie duru nka onkwan na aka no na nyame nhyirawo na nyankopon nhyirawo na nyame nhyirawo na obonne bi mpa wadi no onyame ahumo body achew we de wo si dabi obekoso adi bone di akowu akosha adaka mu di akọ na me ka kire mo se mesi mo ayabo mo po se mo mrewura Kennedy Agyapong camp mo meka no na mo medi nachi ye atwa mo ye bema mi do nyame se mo ntwi mutina mo mra ye ni mo nyina ye be follow mo footsteps mesi ye ni mo nyina da one after one mesi one after the other mesi ye ni mo be ko ne pepe ye nzuro mo misa mo se kwambe so ne fa so ya ti meeting na makwakoye no kwambe na mati mi breaking news na mamo mo pa mo challenge se tro na midi ye be prove beyond reasonable doubt Kennedy Agyapong mo ne be na wade ayemo Kennedy Agyapong de na waye tia Ghana ono yi di bottom sika over $6 million em fancy kado center for ma Ghana for kwasiafo mo teto mo jiska na mo chadi na pom me ka kire waye hu se wo pepa wantinu usu di ache because yes ye the Ebra Bawumia ba wona NAPO still be more NP wo mana ni running mate aba ni vice. I am telling you today NAPO mi do Nyankopon say wo di nyema di agro ba junsem mi do Nyankopon say NAPO di agro ni ma ba junsem sama Wontumi so officer on kona e be mo Ghana mi do nyame say e ba jimu nyina nsem because we are not going to sit down this time around. We are there to protect the Kennedy Agyapong. Papa ni nya boni bia wo mfum obi bia ne mfum so ne boni awa ne de we mu amudi achi no mu nyina ho na Kennedy Agyapong ne nsa enso mu nyina mo so mu amudi party na chi makobota enkwase ne jimi po no ho na nsa me president Kennedy Agyapong sanso no so. What is the problem? Dear na papa na yemo na Akufo Addo since I be president edi empanimfo ne nkrofuko mo sori gina wachi ta wachi se omba boa mo di akondwa no ubedi akondwa wie no uye within the most wicked ever person nipa was at this ye ko we bon sound you na Akufo Addo say obi asan because you are the uye wicked too much na uye wicked too much me so asema me kan we are not afraid of anything Wontumi ndem foko obi bapo mo kura asem president mo sunim faso de mo mana mo di o man sika kwa no mo kwa mo pese mo tena na mo didi me ye nhwe workers Kennedy Agyapong otu o mo ka ye nhwe nyanka ne awusi Kennedy Agyapong hwe o mo nkrofo mo hwe o mo school papa wo efiri hon ma ye nhwe awusi ne nyanka nkrofo mo ombe jai school nkrofo ma akunafo akombe di o mo o man ne mo nipa kwa ahunyenye mo kura mo so on faso ye nya mo na mo ntena se Nyankopon be tuya mo ka baako Nyankopon be tuya mo ka baako na me ka kire mo me se mo da you guys should there ye ya ho ye ba fie papa no Kennedy Agyapong to be tie me say we are preparing ye ba fie ye ba ye mo bi ba fie Wontumi no obi afoko me do am say ye nsuro mo Wontumi no obi afoko me ka kire mo me se ye ba fie ono abutu ye betiem na de oso ye bema oba wo no ontra so be di papa ne bone se mu fita mo kwa na mo ye beba de oso ye bema o si oba wo no a obetun di papa na hwefam no mu da papa mo ntra na mo hwa de me se ye prepare ye ba ye wa kwantuom me si ye ba ye prepare ye ba fie ye ba hwa de se mu fita mo kwa na mo ye memma ye ba na papa panimu ti se na Akufo Addo wa bo gan jampanifo ya no timbobo ne wudi some wicked mu ko bo party e papa no ni bone ne sen Kennedy Agyapong bone ne sen Kennedy Agyapong hono bo ne bone wa ye ne de wa hin mfunso be na o de ye party no amamo bone na mu bu ye na di mo ni nguasa di party ni nguasa be na Kennedy Agyapong was Kennedy Agyapong finance minister economic and management team no whatsoever Kennedy Agyapong was he part mututu patrum ye ade ba chiam yakotro abakura se da ye tro abakwa mututu patrum Kennedy Agyapong na order se mututu patrum munni mu nyansa ma adwene nya adwuma ma bobo adam tirimu ese mu fi se mo ba fa na kwa dia me say we are here we are waiting for you mo ayabo mo pass mo share ma pretend no let them come let you guys come we know you all let them come you come mura we are ready to face you guys me say mo dem and this warning mo ma twa Kennedy Agyapong ho hia no this signal, this warning, come will be bia me ni film. Even the yere me can't tell you all of you guys should be very careful. If you know you are not genuine, would you ever point for a purpose, for peculiar interest, the pastor sign before it's too late. Me say sign before it's too late. Would you so dear the point with because of your peculiar interest there? Me say sign before it's too late. You must be baby through fear. I beg you move in some. Me na make them. Abuja for somebody I did some more. And you have good dinner minimum. I will go. I have with a home. I see film. I have with a home. I see film. I hear you whoa. NAPO said the only you reckon the point city away. Oh, co prepare open vice president and running mate her dinty. Wow, to trouble 20 pounds in the cover. Oh, co 10 meetings, you're more for born in Fontiano. Nipa to da na to da o Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ye mu binim se papa na ka ono nko a kasa ni ma fun ka papa no go ni akire truth must be told me tan nipa me tan asem muna ma ye papa no yodo mo ye se zombi de mu beka bia na odi akire de mu beka bia na odi akire because of wa mpene a odo so mo de me fa kwambo ne so nti na mu piepia no ye breka ne Japan won tan obi a o party ni mo na emom ade anamo ya ade party be ko opposition ade anum go ase ya hu beba no na papa ne be kan ho asem and your kan no so na mo fa na ho kan ye to ba wie no JFK we general secretary ma party no no mo to no to aka empanimfo na mo jo mo di Dr. Obiribo na Obiribo ahem no Obiribo ahem o mo nyina aka nsema na yewura kan Japan kan duru tema na ba be to ba mo antie no ye to ba wie anim go ase ne ba no o mo nyina na mabonte obi e ka you guys have heard it. What you say? Na do what's some Akufo Addo mako gu your friends UK moko ye meeting take Kennedy Agyapong me say chama Wontumi me say you wura Kennedy Agyapong me say some message obi onim na yiri bia be mo for message ma no obi onim na yiri mo for message ma no me say make ma from back door ba me say me come ani party bi mo ma na yiri nya we say papa no o man sebe na duani die ni nsu obenom na na montuo no munya very careful ye ba yenya meduru ye no you guys should protect this man ne ma tu ni fini ye duru fie wi de aka na ye de e be yesu adwuma me sebe chama Wontumi so ye mafia ese obi a Ghana na no ye political mafia ye ba chie ne se onim nkonya yi a onim nkonya yi nchen motia cause motia na di nkonya yi ba ye se Sammy okuso ye mafia Branchampon so a mafia. Huh? So a mafia. They should wait. Omo try yeba. What you say? Omo try yeba. Na so mo nim konya yi a. Omo so me mafia, omo nim konya yi a. This time no yeba chira omo say, so omo nim konya yi a. Omo nim konya yi nchen motie o. Motia na din konya yi ba ye be mo humu level me say mon try mfumo esi ekita ni na me ekita ni audios no videos ni na me ekita no ye be jani ni na gu chaw ama mo hu de be ko se mo pese MPP collapse ya ye be collapse MPP amamo because we are there to help MPP. We want to bring MPP into power na se mo te honom na sa nkwasi asem sa nkwasi apo ni sa jimi sem na mo mpanimfo a mo didi party ni mo bo mo ya na kwasi adwunu na mafa we shall see. Me say, some ye about trouble, send them some we be nim them boy. Ye mu binim. Ada na mo system nyana mo ne manya na ablock. And people mo system na mo collect ni ma ada na nyana ablock. Once na ablock, ye kire mo se mo ye mafia, ye mafia sesemo, ye gangsters sesemo. Yan kasa o, but ye bet my you guys have no idea. Me na me catch them, so mo ye gangsters ye mafia. Ye bet kire mo se yan kasa ye wo chire ye nim ye so ye mfuwa na mfiu eyeda na ye to wa mu quality na pipi mo ne mo system block mo system block ada dey na see ye we are telling you say ye kita mo shuo mu na if you don't know and you guys misbehave ye be press button no it is all you kura won ti ase mi be wi abosofu bi ni voice ya ne ni revelations a Nyankopon da na di kire no afa yewura Kennedy Agyapong mi be bo akire mo no matie papa no me say mo bu bia ntimi nya no fit ba ye mama hu say e pa ma bo ne nkwasi asem ne jimi sem na makofu ya mo meeting no sebi president Nyankopon support ne nkwasi asem na mo di so a mo so What has ye mama tia who said, near my mama so mo pesa mo no. Nyankopon on support. Nyame support. Ye nim. Was it touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm? Can I depend on Nyame ni kosua? Motimu shada yini pakura free prison. So me kum papa no. Still, ni pa ba betu ho ache no. Munsuo nyansa se, enye ni pa nya na Nyankopon makwan ma ye yini free ho. De Nyame abasa wono so no, de Nyame nsa wono so, de Onyame ahira no no. Osefo ntimi nya na hwi da biarada. I'm here today to tell you guys say meeting na makobo no pono. Pona makobo o UK no. Sammy oku, okura na hokura me nwa. Me say Onyame adana di ye onim. Na mama challenge se throw na media atrem. You guys come out and challenge me say throw na media. Yele mo ni asemo, by na mo asem because the crime person dey Kennedy Agyapong for so. Ye anti you, me catch him playing. And like I said, and benefo ma twa ye Kennedy Agyapong wo che no. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so me ka asem dey ache honorable babia wo bia ti asem me no kan. Papa, ye nim se wo ya me ye. Wo trimu papa wa koma da NPP so wo do Ghana. Papa me sere babia duru no. E pona doso. Onyame bo ho ban na so e to da. Baby wo no mo mesu ye nyusu se be ya adwen ya koma na ye kra na ye hu nipa no mo nam na ye ntutu ya na mo yie. Enye obia na de so papa ba on chen se o sere kire no. Enye obia na so obi oproma no. Enye obia na so no tun sadidi. Enye obia na so o chie no. Enye obia na so o sere kire no. Onabo babia bre na duru no. This is not the time. Ye mu bi hwe na sa de na koso na se de ye ka wunti ya onabo. Ye betu yonfu because wo me ya bre to agu. Because ye mu bi kana wanti ya onabo. You betu yonfu because over me abra tuagu and ye nim said ye e koso no ono abo usukura bi kwa unnim chen unnim because we know you so you know more than the nim but the azu nim no we are adding up yan tiase ne ochina adechia yan tiase da I am not afraid means you asema me no ka mo starting a physical attack the bayasu antintam mudifa kwa hudo su bebre. This is the reason why mo share that small so mo for $500,000 mire ye mu bi no me evidence me no asema me no mo ka mo bia me provoke mo ma me press button no me say this is the reason why mo papa na anti ma fa kwa hudo su bebre. This is the reason why you guys, some of you guys, mo fa obi achi anka mo pesa mo de $500,000 ebre mo bi na ke kan to nanka mo tuma nya de mbo bia me say mo bre $3 trillion ko ye mu bia nji nyi euro Kennedy Agyapong man ne otena de tiachi na yiri kwaya de anya na ye tie ba be kam obi on say na yiri person do for kwambono we so we don't pa montra because we are there to protect euro Kennedy Agyapong Yesu Kristo ba no onyankopon no ma na suafo mbaboa manya omo kan no ma onyame adwuma ko so de Kennedy Agyapong na suafo a ye be boa na ma na adwuma ko so enya sika ne ye po hwe makura se kwantenten no sera maso si esi sera mi hu si maso sura tu esi no me ka mama ne medem ni ja medem ko bo asisi mi akere wa uko yem be show nso ni nyina mu no e ma ye kwan se dem ko disika ni ko bitre obi Nyankopon fa sa atumi na ma yeti Ghana duru NDC na mribe na NDC wo power time maami bi aka se onye $1 million ya obeja politics and people for your bomu di maami atama maami up to date ye nimbe be wa fa krampo nso susira da pa sika sene ne da ofia uzu made fire sika sene ne da kama uzu made fire sika sene na made fire ya kan no otum yete ho yen kan hwi obi ka so onya obeja politics o ya twina bo so tutu ni tiru nwi nyina ya kotu se sika bi do bi dem obi do bi fie and MPP o ya MPP ni de ye boko ye kama ye mu bi ya ntse be kan ko ne de akere ye kana ko na kire mamuntie ye mu bia ntiase o tie de sofu bi kafa ye wura Kennedy Agyapong tie na tie ni ye tie kana ko ati mo so mo mche
ya ne matia na enye and they are worried this man want to work ochini ana ensontesa and the voice was when the chosen one is rejected by the kingmakers he will raise another person from that palace. And I see what mumu. Inti say ya amanyokomu de Awurade akani. Ejupa koto sa akoko a koto. Na me bisae say yese ne kasa nye na adan. No say ne kasa nye no wa meyesa anka oman na hu no. No man kasa mo man tie ne nka na afi ne adwuma aduro. Na no wan kasa anya se de no ye na nka wonim no ba bia. Na me na atentene ne free me enti se wanye saa de no a enti o ka me na atenti ni free me na aha e no so obi boye bone na me mawurade me se etene ma me a me na atenti ni free me na me pe na kasa eso okasa no okasa ma na manyoku wan kasa ma no ho nti se amanyoku ne se kasa nye onyoa kasa okasa de kuma omo no wan kwa ma na busu okuma amanyoku nti mabua wonfo hayaya we amanyoku a hwehwe oman nkoso ehwe personal interest nye de wu bedi enti se urade erezi obi se me bedwu o ma unify ne piano no asare aye eti obi rezi obi a na ni ye kika obetime execute sa assignment of Yahweh bribisi na se omuye adibia anhwe a suo no a eto a egu obi die ma ne yema ne ye de be kone dem yesade ko obi dem no se na ni ba hu se nsan de ne ko obi dem a na anhwe a oni afafanto betu na sem e be ba magana yie to hu se obi a otwa nsuo na nsuo na soro di na chi campaign ma no uko nsuo ko twa nantwie kura nsuo ba rejected utwa ma na nsuo di na onu ni mo onim nti asem obeka kura se ana abeye fene na nkofo di gigiska ye worship ya piesa mi gina kwa no so na gina o she top blue na o mo particular no ano elakos waki kan she jeans to bia yes I bopre na onu nanim traffic light mi no nyina so aso green na number 2 no sign number 2 on minus ne na so green and red e che se wo piano de kokora second one no red omodate no to na then na de oye number 1 no ni de green nyina so no se kura ayoa osi on na obema mansan didi kwa e deep baromaya utimu kan okura ne ye bopa oh amen amen
hwe asema sofu no kan yo de ye me dekura akese ne se omaya ye tim o kan okura o manimu a na ye bo ho pa no kurudie ye wura Kennedy Agyapong odi kwan ode o ne odo oman no do mu nipa ewo mu nti awudifuo akodi awuo wicked people o makohia koye meeting ye mo papa no so pa ne ye to no so wire abusua mo bia ncheki ba ye mama hu de wom ye die wura Kennedy Agyapong achi na me ka kire mu NPP fo na Akufo Addo na adikan chama Wontumi Sammy oku NAPO ye wura Bawumia Brana champon ye ka kire mu se epono ni meeting na mokoboye no abrefo jan edam office edam table ase ye nsuro muna muya party mpanimfo na muso mukan wa mu various constituencies na dia Kennedy Agyapong aboa mu a ya bɔ mu paase ye de mu ye bayusu mu no muhwe yie munya very careful papa no mesiasi onyame na de na bedua o manim onyame na bɔ no ho ban muncheke mutirim pendo do sana ma atem se papa mu pesa mo de fa kombone so ayi o man Ghana se mu ya badwem ba mo na nwene ho na mu se papa no nyame na de ne ko na o de ne ba yempo mu sori tia yo enye yi o one of your videos makawom mo de na mu nuro so ne na mpanimfo ba bi bebre gu se etwa mo ja gidi he oni ba be free me papa nya 130 years before answer owu wan kitap man ko to da wan wiawi da osori nante ekikire ono na patakura boso onya 130 years me ma me nya more than 90 years almost 100 years no timi so pan e di konsuo ansana me ma me film o film kwa faze best o faze 1.5 years money sani pa we ni diri a very careful me papa wo me no obo akokora ba pa so still you are strong mani fu adi se na papa siti za me hu no sa na o te odi ko wu nti emu bi no onyame abasa e da yeso mu ntimi nye foko de mu be bia so de we are making mo pa mo nsan mo po masa ba tra ba ka kire mo Yabra Kennedy, Papa, this time I'm funny when Niaguro, Papa, Susu Jini Padi, Minister should I be brave. But Papa, Mammy and Sensi from Mr. Honorable, and my sensi from. And yes, you can't remove Biduachi, and young Hunja Debi Nemu Biduachi. You do it, you are my near Bremu, you are how Bremu, near my never my. We are not joking.
Not polling station executives, but it resonates well with the polling station executives. So I'm addressing their issue that we cannot allow them to work for the party to win. Whilst you are working, nobody asks for a certificate. But after the victory, wherever you go, they will ask you certificate. I am of the opinion that it is not only certificate that does the magic.
Okay.
Those who can learn should be allowed to learn, push them. Those who cannot, in terms of book, you can give them training. Some can become plumbers, masons, carpenters, arc welders, seamstresses, hairdressers, and they all play a role to develop the country. So when you use somebody to go and work for you without asking certificate, and when the time comes that he needs help, he only asks of certificate. Why didn't you ask him or her what trade or what can he do that the party will help? Like I mentioned, you see, you are here. I also have a radio station. I know how much most of you make because it's standard. But I can tell you confidently that these masons, carpenters, and plumbers, they make more money than most of you elite. So that is where we have to address the problem, that we encourage people, like War Technical Institute, for instance.
Yeah.
There are over 2,000 students, which I think is in right direction, and we have to encourage them by giving them sophisticated equipment to train these students to come out. Some can do their own business, some can join other institutions. We have neglected that area. That is why we always ask of certificate. And I'm telling you that in my outfit, when we come to the construction site, with all due respect to you, a mason makes 150 Ghana cedis. In 26 days, he makes 4,000. So, and a graduate at Oman FM after taxes makes about 2,500, 2,007. So what are you telling me? A plumber can charge me over 200,000 to fix or install whatever seats, toilet seats, and all those things in my house. So what are you saying? And that's the labor cost. Because I buy all the materials. So I'm drawing the attention of the party that, look, let's widen the scope and don't ask of only certificate. Those who are brilliant and are interested in education, let's push them. Others who are not good in terms of education, it doesn't mean they are useless. We have to train them.
Okay.
We have to train them hands-on so that they can go on with their lives. And the top, they don't find that pleasant at all.
The reason why you are aspiring to become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party is because of the grassroots.
It's not only the grassroots. You see, I've been a member of parliament for the past 23 years.
Okay.
And my vision, whatever I say, the government can choose to take it or not. Many a times they don't take it. And I think the problems confronting us as a nation today, it is all because we've been theorists for so long. We need to be practical. We need to take pragmatic decisions, approach to change the economy.
Honorable Ken, your campaign seems to be very practical. You are just telling not only people from the NPP, but the whole Ghanaians how we can all together build the country we call Ghana. How difficult is it in this presidential race?
It is difficult because you know, many people, not only in Ghana, everywhere, people don't like the truth. So when you are telling the truth, you be
things about the race and why they are leaning towards one particular candidate, and then looking at the conditions they are they really comfortable? They admitted this is the frank truth in the system, that okay, fine, things are not well for us as grassroots people, nothing is moving on. What Kennedy is saying is actually the truth on the ground, but you seems to be hitting the party in a bad light ahead of the 2024 general elections. The exposés you are giving, I mean, you are doing it and you are building up the NDC for the 2024 general elections.
That's cheap talk. That's cheap talk. You are behaving as if NDC, they are not Ghanaians. Are they not here? They don't know things themselves. So what are you saying? Are they not Ghanaians? They don't know what is going on. Am I the one telling them? If that is what you think and you are not going to vote for me, so be it. But I will always speak the truth. I will not hide. You see, this campaign, I'm not like do die that if I don't win, I'm going to kill myself. And therefore, I will not be afraid of the truth. You see, all those arguments that they are raising, my brother, if you want unity in this party, how would you go and then when you finish, you use the word reconciliation? That is why I choose my words carefully. I don't insult anybody. But when you hate severally, they're going around everywhere, destroying Kennedy Agyapong. I can tell you of Anodonpre, I can tell you of Admaku Befi, I can tell you of Otchere Befi, I can tell you of Opariansa. So many people going out there, hitting Kennedy Agyapong, and the system is happy, the party is happy, because Kennedy Agyapong is not a human being. And when I hit back, you have a problem. I've given you an example of what the regional minister has done, but I have not commented. But you see, nobody has heard them. But I have the videos, the audio. Nobody. What regional minister from Western region posted, nobody has condemned them. And if I defend myself, so if you are police station executive and you are suffering and you want to continue to suffer, I've done my part. God knows I told you the truth. You didn't take it. You chose to be where you want to have. No problem. My brother, me, I'm not afraid of. I have built myself in such a way that nobody can undermine me. And you know what? My background makes me a tough guy, because all these guys that are following a particular candidate, most of them can't make it without the government help. Me, when you sack me, when you take everything from me, what about my family land? Atasinfosu. Are you going to take my family land also from me? And I will farm in style. I will farm in style. I told my wife that, look, we'll go to Asinfosu and farm. I have a big house, about 29, 40 bedrooms. Sit there, 1 mile square is for me. All I have to do is, I want fresh foods. Cocoyam, bring the leaves, kuntumre. Hey, plantain, apim, whey. I'm eating Kobe. You know Kobe. Ask them. Yeah. Indeed, how can you collapse me? And fortunately, my kids have good jobs. Besides what I am creating for them, they are all smart. They have good jobs in America. Lender of last resort. If you collapse my business, my children, they are happy wherever they are. So I'm only telling them the truth. And if the truth hurts, so you are the victim, and I'm educating you, and you think I'm hitting back. If you see, they are not being fair. I did not hit the vice president, but I hit one MP, because he said, we don't want somebody who will come and say that I have done this for the party, I have done this for Ghana. but we want a strategist. So I asked, who is a strategist? You were in parliament shouting that we are not going to IMF today or tomorrow. In the next 2 hours, IMF. Are you a strategist? Are you? And you see the diabolic ways of you media to you are part of it. Media.
Sure, we are also part of the blame.
Yeah, because you don't even give the full, you only do sensational news. But the full details you don't even bring. Even when I made that statement, I advised them that they should stop the way they are campaigning, because
we played the full tape this morning.
In the end, we all have to be.
You advise the party to do a clean campaign.
Exactly.
Otherwise, if you hit me, Kennedy, I will
hit you back. So why are the people you interview are blaming me because I'm hitting hard? What these people said there, nobody has heard. And you know what, my brother? Politics, never get into politics. The people that I have helped, made them who they are today, they are the ones that are against me. Yeah, I've bought cars, give them money, campaign for them to win their seats. They are my number one enemies. But I just look at them and say, Lord, forgive them because of their stomach.
Do some still call you? Because I mean, they know Kennedy is aware. I probably is not supporting Kennedy. I'm following a different candidate. Kennedy has made me who I am. Do some call? Oh,
yeah, about
man.
2 guys here they call, but brother, the mistrust has clearly defined and is established. So whatever you are telling me, I don't want to listen. Go ahead and do your own thing.
Before we wrap up, let's look at the probabilities. If Honorable Kennedy Agyapong doesn't win this election, are we still going to see you actively involved in the NPP campaign for the 2024?
If they continue elections? The way they are continuing, big no. I'm telling you. You think I'm afraid? If they go the way they are going, me when I lose straight, I go back to America. If you say you can win without Kennedy Agyapong, let Adumaku fee and all those guys go and do the campaign.
The party would call you, the
call me.
Would beg you,
call me,
will talk to Kennedy.
You think I'll always be a fool? You think I'm always going to be a fool to them? Spend my money for these young men to insult me? If they stop, fine. If they don't stop, count me out. I'm not afraid. I'm telling you.
Let's look at the other probability where Ken wins. What would you have to do with the other candidates?
Other candidates, if you like, join. If you don't, I'm telling you that I'm not campaigning as if say hell should break loose at all costs. Kennedy Agyapong should win.
Okay.
You see, that is why I'm doing clean campaign. I would not feel shy to call anybody or anybody who feels. One of them has approached 2 people saying that he feels I'm a nice person. The way he has been with me for long, he has made a mistake about the things he said against me. I said, leave him. He should live with his conscience. All of them except one. Yeah, he called that he wants to see me personally and apologize. When you were disgracing me, was I there? And you want to come to me quietly. Well, he has said boldly that you go on air to apologize. But why is this man going out there to apologize? I leave it to Ghanaians. I leave it to the party people. I leave it to the party people. But media, if they continue like this, the word reconciliation, I will not understand. You can bring Jesus Christ to explain reconciliation. With this insult, with these lies that they peddle about me Me, I'm quiet.
Probably they are seeing you as a very tough person in the race. So
and all this time they didn't know some you're tough.
You waiting for Winnie and someone about beto Yapon so a year a poor one about ye Kennedy Agyapong. I just say she book also a UK now in some way P Freeman or Branch AD and something in about betuya. Because so when you subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe since I had the latest hot and qua enamide bravo. I feel we are now like if you do give us a thumbs up now fee share my wofufro so now when you be here now and somewhere ekoso ewo Ghana bemwa also betimi atchere wadwen afa aye some way nyina ho ewo comment box mu mubeti minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.